Here's what a day looked like for us at the Beehive cluster in Utah that happens every single May. I know I'm real late to this because it happened the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of May, but I've been really sick since then. So I woke up with this. Wow, lovely. But I didn't want to waste that money for agility running, so I decided to go anyways. Me and Momo hopped in our Uber and we're on our way. Yes, this is the same clip from the beginning. I was tossing her toy while we were watching everything get set up and all the runners run that before that. We wandered off to go get some food. It said hi to Mr. Kenji.
Hi, buddy. He's a good boy.
This is what Momo's setup looks like. She had her kennel, she had a towel, she had her thing, she had food and water.
Sure you're done? Okay, you're done.
Since this was a huge cluster where people came in, we got to see so much stuff, and there was a dog show happening inside, so there were so many well-bred and beautifully behaved dogs. There were some freaking adorable corgis, and of course Momo was being good.
Because I had too much going on this weekend.
And not to brag or anything, but I was also trusted to hold a show puppy. This is Smooth, and I love him, and I would die for him.
It's okay, I'm friends, see? Oh, boy. Good baby. Good baby. It's okay. Good baby.
He was genuinely such a pleasant puppy to hold. Like, he was so sweet, and I loved him. This wasn't just agility, it was also Fast Cat and showing and obedience, so we decided to stop off at a little booth that was right outside the Fast Cat area. And this is when the snack stand finally opened, and yes, I licked all the salt off to give Momo a fry. We checked out all the people running Fast Cat, and dang, these dogs are some fast.
Go, baby, go!
And this is one of my friend's dog's adventures. She is so freaking fast.
Dang!
We did a little bit of practice jumping since she was pretty good with the jumping yesterday. And here was our run. Then I went home and went to bed for 12 hours.
Rates are a little better now.